What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another one of our exhibit tours. My name is Kristian, ready to show you guys some more of the awesome stuff that we have outside of the Science Center. If you haven't seen part one of our science trail, please make sure you click this little box up above me. That way you get a little intro into what we're doing. But now let's show you the rest of the stuff we have in our backyard. Let's go. Spread all throughout our science trail are these amazing life-size instruments where you guys can get creative and see if you can make some music of your own. So tap into your inner artist and see what types of music you can make. Over here in the back of our science trail is our awesome physics forest, where you guys can launch bottle rockets, test physics with pulleys, and even check out this giant pendulum right behind me. This stuff is awesome. Now, just behind our physics forest are our awesome whisper dishes, where you can actually communicate with someone really long distances away using these parabolic dishes. So let's see if Mr. Matt has anything cool to say to the viewers at home.
Science is cool.
Science is cool. Another really cool piece of our science trail is our giant gem panning station, where you guys can actually get these gem bags from our gift store and then bring it out here to this contraption to look for different types of treasure. Right? You can find all sorts of gems, rocks, minerals, and if you're lucky, maybe even a little bit of gold. So go ahead, test your luck, and see what you can find. Last time you guys saw us, we had a few things under construction, but now if you take a look behind me, we've opened up our brand new Cox Amphitheater, where we're doing amazing science demonstrations, experiments, labs, trivia, karaoke, pretty much anything you guys can think of. All sorts of awesome entertainment you guys are sure to enjoy. Hey Selena, showtime. Check this out. Isn't science cool? One thing you want to be sure not to miss is our amazing conservation course, a full 18-hole putting course where you guys can learn all about the different environments in our backyard, the animals that inhabit here in South Florida, and have a little bit of fun with golf. Again, fun for all ages. What a tour that was. So many fun and exciting things to see on our science trail. Thanks again for coming on this trip with me. Hopefully we see you guys at the Science Center. And again, stay tuned to our social media channels for all sorts of amazing updates. Until then, I'm Kristian. I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, just want to thank you guys for watching our content. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you hit that like button down below. If you're watching on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe. That way you're up to date on all the really cool science experiments that we're going to be bringing your way. Now, if you haven't heard, we have some really big announcements. Our doors are partially reopened. We have some really cool exhibits that you guys can check out, bring in your families, bring in your kids, and enjoy some of the things about the Science Center that you've come to love. Now, we are taking some very special safety precautions, so please make sure you check our website for the latest updates on that. We thank you for sticking with us throughout this entire endeavor and helping us continue our mission to open every mind to science.